feeder conductors from separate disconnecting means derived from the same transformer system can meet in a shared J-box ahead of the branch circuit disconnecting means. This is allowed by the National Electrical Code, or NEC, under certain conditions. Firstly, both disconnecting means must be located in the same building. Secondly, the separate disconnecting means must be connected to the same transformer system. Thirdly, the J-box used must be suitable for the size and number of conductors and must provide adequate protection against physical damage and electrical hazards. Fourthly, each set of feeders entering and leaving the J-box must be clearly labeled with its source and destination. There are advantages of using a shared J-box. Firstly, it can save space in electrical rooms or cabinets. Secondly, it can simplify the installation process by reducing the number of wires and connections. Thirdly, it can save on materials and labor costs. Some considerations to keep in mind include maintenance. The shared J-box should be readily accessible for maintenance and troubleshooting. Safety is also important, so ensure that the J-box is properly sized and installed to avoid overheating or electrical hazards. Design should comply with all applicable codes and standards. Some additional requirements include the size and type of conductors must be in accordance with the applicable code for the connected equipment and the available fault current. The J-box must be installed in a location that is not subject to excessive heat or moisture. The conductors must be properly terminated and secured in the J-box.